If you want to watch great movies in 4K Ultra HD like this one here, you're going to need a 4K Ultra HD player. Now if you just have a normal Blu-ray player, it's not going to play these movies, it's not going to downscale them, it's not going to play them at all. So in this video I'm going to unbox this Sony UBP-X700. This is one of the cheaper 4K Ultra DVD players. A very reliable, very good player. It's not totally loaded with features, but it's right around $170 to $180. A lot cheaper than some of the upper scale $300 to $500 Ultra HD players. So we're going to get this unboxed and check it out. Here's the back of the box, kind of showing you some of the features it has. It is of course capable of streaming. It does not have Bluetooth, but it pretty much has every other feature you need in order to play the 4K Ultra HD discs. So here's the contents of the box. You have a high-speed HDMI 4K cable. You have your AC adapter. One thing I like about Sony is they have a real small wire for their AC adapter. So if you have a lot of wiring with a surround sound system, the small wiring fits a little better. Sony also has a great remote. I have another one of their DVD players with similar remote. Remote works very well. It's nice and compact. Also comes with the Sony batteries for the remote, and of course a hard copy of the manual. And here's a close-up of the backside. You have your Ethernet port. There's where your AC adapter is going to go. You can use two HDMIs, one for audio only, one for video, or the combination of the video audio, and you have a digital out. And there's nothing on this side over here. I decided on this Sony 4K Ultra Disc player because of the high ratings on Amazon, and a lot of the reviews I read on CNET and other publications rank this pretty high for the money. It's pretty much a great bang for the buck player. I'm going to try it out for a couple months and give you guys a full review. Thanks for watching.